Okay, so this is step 1 for gaining access to Secret Bunker 11 in Warzone. For the first step, you're going to need to locate the phone with the Russian chatter. There's several locations where this can spawn, and I'm going to show you all of them. There's one at the dam. There's one at the TV station. One over here in Boneyard. There's one in the hills. There's one at the bank near Superstore. One in Port. And one in the skyscraper in downtown. Activate the phone, but if it has a dial tone like this, that means it's wrong. And you'll need to go to another location that has the Russian chatter coming out of it. This is the correct phone right here. If you notice after the chime, he said 3 Russian words. You're going to need to translate those. Getting a chart like this that you can translate from Russian to English helps out a lot. Once you know your 3 numbers, we move on. This is step 2 for how to gain access to Bunker 11 in Warzone. Once you've translated your 3 Russian numbers into English, you'll need to go visit 3 phone locations in that exact order. 0 is located at military base. Location 1 is going to be located in the bank in downtown. Location 2 is going to be this ammo store near military base. 3 is going to be the giant building behind Quarry. 4 will be the police station north of Lumber. 5 will be TV station. 6 will be the airport tower, and 7 will be right at the tip of this airplane at airport. Location 8 will be hospital, and finally the last location will be Dan here in the back. Go to your 3 phone locations in the correct order. If you activated them all in the correct order, your final phone will make a chime letting you know you did it right. This is the third and final step to gain access to the Secret Bunker 11 in Warzone. The location of the bunker I'm marking on the map right now. If you've activated your phones in the correct order, all you have to do is come to this bunker and hit the access panel. Then this bad boy is going to open up, leading into the Secret Bunker 11. There's tons of loot crates down here, money for days, but the best part is right here. Here's the MP7 variant you can pick up. You notice when you pick it up, it says Submachine Gun Blueprint Unlocked. So there you go, you got it. Now you're in this bunker, you can explore around. There's a computer you can reboot that turns the screens into something different. You'll see a room with a countdown in it somewhere over here as well. Be careful because enemies will try to come in here and camp you out and try to take your shit. There's also a wall you can crawl underneath the hole here that leads to a big shiny red button panel. And if you hit the shiny red button, it clears out the smoke you see here in the windows, and it allows you to see some sort of nuke or missile. Stay posted because we can tell there's going to be many more steps to these Easter eggs than just this. In Warzone Secret Bunker 11, there's this computer that I don't see anybody talking about. When you go up, you can interact with it. It says Reboot Computer. And when you reboot it, the screens change and it boots up a system. And after it's all done rebooting, it'll let you know at the top of the screen it says System Ready. But ready for what? Could this potentially be the step 2 of the Easter egg? And maybe this has something to do with those laptops spread across the map. But it also activates in the other room a countdown with 3 screens with 3 clocks over the top of them. And it stops at 2. The countdown will never go lower than 2. Why would they add all this if it's not another step? And it's an old looking bunker with a bunch of pictures hanging on the wall from the Cold War. Also, why in the nuke room? Why was it smoky and why is there an explosion? And why is there all this blood on the table right here?